In this video, I'm going to show you how you can locate an already installed Steam game on your PC. If you do find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for even more tips just like this. Now this trick can help you avoid re-downloading a game that you've already installed. Begin by opening up the Steam game directory. Open up File Explorer just like so, and head to your default Steam installation folder. This is usually located in this PC, in this little Windows section, and then within Program Files x86. From here, Steam should be in this section, and you can open up Steam Apps just like so, open up Common, and then in here, it's going to show you a list of your currently installed games. If the game you're looking for is already in here, perfect. If not, simply paste that game folder into this section. You can right click on whatever game folder you're trying to paste in there. In this case, I'm going to copy this one just like so. And then I can just right click again in this folder and hit paste and I'll be good to go. I'm going to go ahead and delete this real quick just because I don't need a copy of this, but you get the point. Now to actually reconnect that game within Steam, you are going to need to open up Steam and then locate that game within your library. Pretty much find whatever it is. In this case, we'll say it's Sons of the Forest. Essentially, go ahead and press install. And then when it gives you this option right here to select this game drive, go ahead and make sure you're selecting the exact same game drive where the game files are located. Instead of downloading, Steam is going to start validating the existing files. After a short wait, your game will be detected and ready to play without having to re-download everything. If this video did help you out, let us know down in the comment section below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down there as well, and make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future tutorials. Have a great day.